In Goodbye to All That, you've written a great deal about what Wales meant to you when you were when you were a child living there at Harlech. Has it had a great effect on you as a man and as a poet?
Well, obviously, because I was born in London, and one can't have any great feeling for London. We took all our holidays in North Wales, and of course that was the whole, until I joined the Royal Welsh Fusiliers, it was everything to me, and then art was more so, because I had to eat the leek. Standing with one foot on the chair, one foot on the table, and the drums were playing, and me eating these leeks, and liking it, curiously enough. I love leeks.
Well,
raw and everything.
That was a fortunate circumstance,
it was,
certainly.
Yeah.
I believe that even your first published poem had a strong Welsh influence.
My first poem published in book form was an Englyn, and I had been taught the 97 different rules of Englinion by an Archdeacon Edwards, who's now forgotten, but he was in one of the chief Eisteddfod people. I've forgotten his bardic name, but he was very patient with me. And my father was an Irish bard who was attached to the Eisteddfod. His name was Cymru Wales, and he was one of the people who helped start the Welsh Folk Song Society. And I used to go with my sister throughout all the country behind Harlech. We had one of these wax phonographs, and we used to collect Welsh folk songs. And unfortunately, those were the days before these cassettes and other instruments. We'd had to be on one of these small wax phonographs, and you played them through, and my sister, who was a musician, would then note them down, and then we had to destroy it. It was a great pity because we lost the actual singing voice of the people. Nowadays, when they collect folk songs, you get the actual singing voice, and that's most important. You get all the grace notes.